In a previous video, I showed you how you can add touch buttons to your side-scrolling game for a mobile device. In this video, I want to demonstrate how you can easily add a joystick controller for your mobile game. So to get started, we're going to click on Asset Library up here. If you do not see Asset Library up here, you can go to Editor, Manage Editor Features, and then make sure Asset Library is checked right here. So go ahead and click on Asset Library, and we're going to search Joystick, and we're going to choose this one by Marco. Go ahead and click Download. You can click on this arrow over here to see the files that are in conflict, but it's none that we need, so we can ignore that and install. So let's start by adding a control node to our world. So go ahead and make sure world is selected and click Add. And then inside our control node, we're going to add a canvas layer. So make sure control is selected and search canvas layer. We're going to rename this to touch controls and save it as a scene. Then you can right click and save branch as scene. And I'm just going to put it in the root. So now we can go into our touch control scene. For our touch controls to work properly, we just need to adjust some settings. So let's go to Project, Project Settings. We're going to go in the General tab, go down to Input Devices, and then click on Pointing, and we're going to check this one and uncheck this one. And then you can close that. Next thing we can do is zoom in on our scene here. And we're going to go into our file system, and we're going to look in the add-ons folder, because that is where the joystick was downloaded. Go into Virtual Joystick, and you will see Virtual Joystick Scene. Just go ahead and grab this and drag it onto your scene. So next thing we want to do is position our joystick. So click on the Virtual Joystick and come over to the inspector and click on Layout and Transform. Make sure your X and Y is 300 and your X and Y for position is 0 and 0. And then we're going to make our scale 2. So for the virtual joystick, we have some properties that we can set. Let's start by setting the actions. Your actions may be different, so I'm going to show you what mine are. So let's go to Project, Project Settings, and then go to your input map. And for mine, I just have up, down, left, and right. So make sure virtual joystick is selected. And in the properties, we're just going to set that. For left, we're going to have left, and so on. We can also set a pressed color. So go ahead and save this and run it. And here we have our scene. Here's our joystick. And you can see we can move in all directions by just moving the joystick around. And when we release, it goes back to white. So a couple other notable properties I wanted to point out is clamp zone. This number controls how much the joystick will move from its center position. So it's defaulted to 75, but let's just go to 400 to show you what it's doing. And if we come back here now, you can see how much we can leave the center position. So let's go ahead and set that back to default. The next property I wanted to point out was joystick mode. By default, it's fixed. There's also dynamic and following. We'll start with dynamic. So let's turn it to that. As you can see, it gives a little bit of grace to the player. Even if their thumb isn't perfectly on the center of the joystick, it will still grab. If I try to grab here, it's not. But if I come to a right about here, and it'll catch. And it readjusts the new center of the joystick. And the other joystick mode would be following. This, like dynamic, will also give a little bit of grace to the player and let it grab, even if they're not perfectly on the center. What it does differently, though, is if we grab here, it readjusts that to the center position as I'm holding my thumb down, and then it'll literally follow everywhere on the screen. And as soon as you let go, it defaults back to the original center. So if you grab it here, it'll move anywhere, but it also gives you a little bit of grace, and you can click like right here, and it'll still catch that. Well, I suppose.